Scooty versus bike. Which one should you choose in 2025? A Scooty is better for city commuting, comfort, and practicality due to its automatic transmission, storage space, and ease of handling, while a bike is ideal for those seeking performance, speed, long-distance rides, and better mileage. The right choice depends on your primary needs, skill level, and intended use. Scooty. Best for city commuting, beginners, riders who prioritize convenience, and those needing storage. Advantages: automatic transmission and low seat height make them simple to ride in traffic. Ample under-seat storage and a step-through frame are practical for daily errands. Smaller size and lighter weight make them easy to maneuver through tight spaces. Disadvantages: lower top speeds and less power, not ideal for highways or long rides. Smaller wheels and frame design can make them less stable at high speeds. Bike. Best for riders who want performance, speed, long-distance travel, and a more engaging riding experience. Advantages: offers better speed, power, and control, especially on highways. Larger wheels and a sturdier design provide better stability at higher speeds. Often delivers better fuel efficiency compared to a scooter with the same engine size. Disadvantages: manual transmission requires more skill, and a clutch can be difficult in heavy traffic. Lacks the built-in storage and easy step-through design of a Scooty. How to decide? For city life, if your daily commute is mostly in congested urban areas, a Scooty is the practical choice for its agility and convenience. For performance and highways, if you plan on long rides, highway cruising, or desire a more powerful machine, a bike is the better option. For beginners, a Scooty's automatic transmission and low seat height make it more beginner-friendly. For storage, if you frequently need to carry things, a Scooty's built-in storage is a significant advantage.